se zeptal.
Hi guys, this is me, Baba from thelevers.com, and right now in Prague, the capital city of Czech Republic, and I'm eating the traditional pastry. It's called Trdelnik. So Trdelnik is a Czech pastry dough which is made of, which is rolled in a stick, and then it is coated with a lot of sugar, cinnamon and walnut, and then it's baked to crispy perfection. And this is how it looks, yeah. Doesn't sound really amazing. So we're gonna try it, let's see how it is. Okay, so the dough itself is not really sweet, but if you see the caramelized rich structure, yeah, and when you eat, there's a lot of aromas of burnt sugar, yeah, but what really dominates the flavor is the cinnamon. So yeah, you have a lot of stalls of Trdelnik around the old square. Anywhere you come in Prague, you need to try it, and we're actually standing right in the center of Old Square. So come to Prague, drink a beer, it's also a beer capital of the world, and eat Trdelnik. Much love, Baba. Thank you.